This is my CRV. Down below here is a nail slash screw that's stuck in there, causing the TPM light to go on. Turning on the car, you can see TPM light is on because of that flat. I'm going to America's Tires to get it repaired. I made an appointment for 1:45. So we'll see. Again, TPM light on. There. Gotta get to there in 20 minutes. Almost to America's Tires. It's just at the corner over there. You can't see. But I need to turn in. And usually they're fast about checking us in. Made it to America's Tires. I'm early, so let me go check in.
The outside of the front two tires, where is that one? Because you turn those. Whereas the outside of the back two tires, since it's not full cranked out, they don't wear down as much. So it's not as. But
219. Bringing out my car right now. Took about 35 minutes. Not too bad. Took about 35 minutes. And this is it. Service complete. Pretty satisfied.